At Buscabot, we know how impossible it seems to attend various quotes at the same time. But what would you do if we told you it's possible to not only answer them, but do so in an automated way? Buscabot, your ally in the Mexican auto parts market, presents you with their premium membership, giving you access to exclusive features. Forget about investing time in answering quotes manually. The technology we have developed at Buscabot allows us to connect to your administration system, consult your inventory, and give repair shops automated responses whenever they're looking for auto parts, making you their first option to buy. By connecting to your administration system, we can also place you as one of the first options in the search results for auto parts on our website. Let's imagine a repair shop is looking for a spark plug that fits a Ford Escape 2013. If you have that auto part in stock, you will show up in the first search results so that the repair shop can order that part from you. We know how important the growth and control of your business is to you. That's why Buscabot gives you analytics data about your activities from the very first day you start using the platform. You'll be able to obtain accurate information about the quote requests you've received, the answers you've given, and the repair shops that order the most auto parts from you. Don't wait any longer to go premium. Go to buscabot.com and take the next big step for your business.